What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys doing all right. It is Friday. Happy Friday, or depending when you're watching this video. By the way, if you're new to the channel and you've been watching some of my other videos and you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, hit the like button on this video if it's helpful at the end of the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you could please share the videos, it'll help me a lot get the channel going. Anyways, today's video, like the thumbnail says, we're talking about adding somehow factory Bluetooth to your H2. Last night, and this is the reason why we're making this video, last night a gentleman reached out to me by email asking me about his he pretty much went like, he had an 05 H2 SUT that he noticed that had factory Bluetooth, because it says whenever I used to what's it called, hit my my own start buttons on the steering wheel or whatever, I could, I have Bluetooth. And I went from that to a I believe it was an 07, and then he tried the same thing and nothing came up. Now I explained to him, and again, this is why I'm making this video, what could have been the case on his H2 and why there was some kind of a factory Bluetooth in his H2. If you want to add Bluetooth to your H2, I don't know if it works on an 03, but I know it works on mine. Mine is an 04. From 04 to 07, I know it works. 03s, I'm not sure. You can try at your own risk, but please know that I have never tried it. But you can try to add Bluetooth or factory lookalike Bluetooth to your H2. Is you can go online, you can on eBay, or if you're in the States, you can go to your local junkyard, and what you're going to look for is, and again, please understand, I'm giving you the information that I know of. If there is any difference on what I'm saying, or if you know more than I do about the subject, feel free to go ahead and correct me on the comments. Again, go to your local junkyard or check on eBay or whatever website that you use for used parts, and what you're going to get yourself is a 07 and up OnStar module. It's a piece that goes in the back right here. I'm going to pop a picture on the screen of what I'm talking about. Not only needs to be 07 and newer, because I'm not sure if there was an 06 option with Bluetooth. It needs to be an 07 and newer OnStar module with Bluetooth. I'm going to pop another image on the screen right now that's going to tell you exactly what the Bluetooth unit looks like. Not only on the white sticker on the unit itself has a Bluetooth signal sign or symbol on it. Other than the Bluetooth symbol, on the back of the unit, there's a little black dongle. That is your Bluetooth antenna. So be careful if you decide to try this on your own and you want to buy the part online. Make sure that whoever you buy from, if you can get in touch with them before you go ahead and order the module. Again, if you want to try this, you make sure that if you can get in touch with whoever your supplier is, to include the antenna, because a lot of times they show you the picture, you see the Bluetooth symbol on the sticker, you see the little dongle on the back, but when they ship it to you for whatever reason, they take out that Bluetooth antenna. I've seen it happen. That's why I'm warning you. If you want to try this, make sure that little dongle comes with the unit. That's your Bluetooth antenna. Once you get that to you, it's a fairly simple process. There's no need to program the H2 to that unit or whatever. For the most part, none of us use OnStar anymore. I know a lot of us have the OnStar unit unplugged. I don't. I put a newer unit on it because I wanted it to, at one point, I wanted to use my Tech 2 to see if I can reconnect the OnStar unit. As far as I know, mine can be connected, but I haven't tried the procedure with my Tech 2 and the TIS2 web software. Anyways, once you get the module, all you have to do is swap out yours with that one module that has a Bluetooth dongle on the back. And the process after that is fairly simple. You just go ahead and follow the commands when you hit your OnStar button, or when you hit the OnStar button on your steering wheel or on the unit itself. To get the unit swapped out, remember, you need to take these two screws out. This whole thing needs to come forward, and then this guy right here has one screw on this side, I believe, another screw on the other side. pull it out as far as you can, and there's like 3 connections on the back. Look on the back of the unit, make sure that you plug those 3 connections on the same holes that the unit that's coming from. Is fairly kind of self-explanatory. There's no other way to kind of get it twisted, but you might want to double check. Once you put that unit in there, turn your truck back on, and again, just follow the voice commands on what's it called, on the OnStar voice commands, and you should be able to add the add your phone to it. Now remember, this is a very, very old system, and I believe that the most you're gonna get, like if you have the radio like the one I have right here, I heard from some people saying that nothing comes out, and I've seen some, but I also heard other people that sometimes what they'll see is they'll see an OnStar symbol somewhere in the screen if the radio is turned on. I never seen that OnStar symbol. All I know is that nothing comes up over here, but you might get the phone number that you're calling or the phone number that's calling you on that screen right there. So again, it's kind of like a hit and miss when you try this. I know that some of you, if you made it this far into the video, I know that some of you are gonna say, "Oh wait, I can spend $20 on the little Bluetooth dongle that plugs into my cigarette lighter and has a FM frequency to my." I know that. Listen, I know all the combinations. I am making the video again because of the gentleman that reached out to me last night. Not only because of him asking me that, it's because it's not the first time I have got somebody ask me, "Hey, is there a way to add Bluetooth without, too many aftermarket stuff?" And there you have it. That's the easiest way to get the OnStar working on your truck. If you haven't operated your radio, that's pretty much the easiest way. Now, how much is this unit used? Checked online. I mean, I know for a fact that if I go to my local junkyard, I could probably get one for like, I don't know, 10-15 bucks. A lot of the guys on the junkyard, they know that these Bluetooth units, they know that even if you take it from an old car and put them on the other one, they're discontinued anyways, and it takes a lot to get a program, if you can get a program. That's why they're willing to let it go for like pretty much close to nothing. I think 10-15 bucks is the cheapest. Again, I know there are aftermarket solutions for about that much, but I wanted to show you what the process is. Again, go back into the video, make sure you take a look at that picture that I included where you can get the exact unit. Before I end this video, remember I mentioned 07 and up. I don't know how far up the module will communicate with the H2, but I've seen it done with 07 and up. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for maybe Sunday. I will upload another video. I'm going to go to a car meet. I'm going to take my son's GTR to a car meet. So stay tuned for that video. I don't know if I'm going to upload tomorrow, Saturday. I got a couple of things to do. I might upload another video, maybe not. But Sunday for sure, I know I'm going to upload. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.